kú iṣẹ́ òwà. Àníkàn iyọ̀ ti rú màrún rèdèrèdè. Olúwa kú iṣẹ́ òwà.
South and Ika northeast of Delta State, Nigeria. And in terms of language, our language is predominantly Ika, a hybrid of Bini and Igbo. That is why for instance, my name is Ifeanyi, which is also very common in the east or Igbo. You have other names like Osumbo, also from the Bini, which is also a name that we bear as well. So we are unique and we are special. In terms of natural resources, we are blessed. Praise the Lord.
Rapper, which is one man well.
Artwork, woodwork. The men in Edo State, they wear buluku on the top with beads. While the women, they tie wrapper around the chest and they adorn themselves with beads and on their head. In Benin, we greet our Oba. Oba Atokbe.
Anywhere you find them, they must have moved into that place. So I'm from Gombe State, and in my state we have 14 recognized tribes. That's in the northeast of Nigeria. And of course, Taraba, of course, we have almost 100 recognized tribes. Adama also 100 recognized tribes. So a lot of languages.
The best tribe in the whole of Africa. The best tribe in the whole of Africa.